we on the right side of passion. We can share love in the ocean. If you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
What's up, Moultrie gang? It's your lady, Miss Cupid. We got hubby TJ behind the camera.
What's going on, y'all?
So today we will be installing an upgraded horn on my bike. Hubby did his a while ago, but now it's time to get mine on. Shout out to Byron Arnold and KiKi Arnold for the horn.
Yep.
Had to buy one. So shout out, we thank y'all so much. Y'all know we a big fan.
Yeah.
We really appreciate the horn. Hubby did give me the free one, but the one I brought him, he went on and put on his bike. So now I get to put mine on my bike. Also
since she left me with she went on ahead and put her stuff on. It left me, so
this not the video.
I had to go on ahead and put my horn on since
that was after the fact. That ain't nah, don't try to use that. But also before we get into installing the horn, another quick shout out for another giveaway. Boom, see if you can get that. Rolling on 3. Thank you, Keith. I received my tool in the mail. Something is rattling over there.
It sound big.
Oh my God.
No, keep filming like you don't even hear it, baby. It ain't gonna get you.
It's a squirrel. I see it.
Oh.
I was about to run.
She's scared, y'all. Look, dropping stuff.
Stop.
Look.
But big shout out to Rolling on 3, Keith. We appreciate you. That's shadowblackryker on Instagram. He sent us a tool for a giveaway. I won watching his live. He do giveaways often, so you better tune in if you want something. All right, so without further ado, we're gonna get to putting this horn on.
You don't want to mention the shit, or you want to wait that later?
Oh,
go on, tell them about it.
If y'all remember from last video, when I did the gear shifter, and what else I installed that in? Oh,
the helmet lock.
Yeah,
it's on the other side.
The helmet lock on the other side. So this thing was rolling, y'all. It was rolling hard. So I actually
go and get it. It's out. Yeah, we went and got a longer T30. Here it is right here, y'all. Go in here. I went and bought, oh Lord, they're all over the place. I went and bought a longer T30 torque screw extension, and we was able to put that up in there and got about another 6-8 turns on it.
Yes. So it's tight.
And got it tight. Matter of fact, go on ahead and show it to him, baby. Show him. You can tell him it's tight all day, but you gotta show him.
Yeah, I gotta show y'all, but that last video was horrible. My foot was rolling. I was about to bust them shins up, like Punisher say on Instagram.
Boom. 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 One more time. Boom. Oh.
So it worked, y'all.
Yeah.
Shout out to Mr. B Customs. I thank you.
And I got the same one, except, you know, of course, mine's red.
It's cute too, y'all.
Yeah.
But let's go ahead and get this horn installed. Hope you already got the hood off of me. We about to go to work.
Boom.
All right. So this horn, if you look here, is the Denali SoundBomb Mini, and it is 2 times louder. All right. So
y'all see the new tat, y'all? Look at that. Look at the little line.
But let's see. So it comes with a, what's that called? It comes with silver bracket.
There you go. It's been a long day, y'all.
Gold. Comes with the silver bracket, 2 of them, and a nut. And you have the horn.
Yes.
Now compared to the other horn, it is bigger, so we're gonna have to work it in there to where the hood is not hitting on top of it. And also when
it might rub a little bit. Excuse me, cut y'all. It might rub just a tad bit. But what I had did with mine is I had took
Now if you, I mean, most of y'all know the stock horn Sound like a little play horn. We gonna get rid of that because I need to know that when I'm driving, a car will hear me. So that's the reason I wanted to upgrade the horn. So let's get started. And I have my assistant here to walk me through when I mess up. As always. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and get this nut off and here off to remove this. But I gotta unplug it first, right?
And when you plug it back up, it don't matter which one, you know, goes into which. So you don't have to remember how you had got it off. So it'll work on either one. You gotta pull it pretty good, man. There you go. There you go.
Alright, gonna tuck those there. Alright. Sound like a fat stroller.
Make sure it's on the half side. There you go.
I didn't even know it was.
Make sure you hold up on. No. Go down a little bit more. There you go. That's how you going through it. Make sure you go down on your boat right there. That was so fast.
Oh man. That was hard, y'all.
There you go. She finally got it, y'all.
Old horn, big on.
Nah, the reason why, hold it back up. The reason why we're gonna use that because, as everybody know, the ones that got this horn, it is hard to get this nut off. Byron, you wasn't lying. I was trying and trying. I said bump it, so I went ahead and put that one right there on. So yeah.
All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set up the new horn with the brackets. It's the smaller end. Goes this way.
Ain't number one way for it to go on there. No, turn it back. Yeah, turn it the other way. Right there. Yep.
Okay. And tighten with this. Put this back.
Oh, excuse me, man. I just thought about something.
What?
I lied. You have to take, and you kind of got to have this pointing that way. Remember, we have to have it sideways? Because with the battery right there.
Oh.
No, take it back off. You just got to loosen it up. As I said, people, it's been a very long day. Literally, I hop off the truck. She got the bike and everything out here ready to go. I ain't know nothing about it. But being the good husband that I am,
Yeah.
I went on ahead and said, you know what? Let's go and get it done. There you go. Just turn the horn. Yeah. Just turn it.
It'd be this way.
Yup.
Of course, down a little in case.
Not too much, no. Turn it up a little bit more.
Water rain.
There you go. Right there. Right there. Yep. Just like how you did me on the Easter egg hunt. Fine. It's blending in.
Whatever. Oh. This ain't made for people with bad backs.
Oh, let me get you another pair of pliers. Yep, go ahead with that one. Let's tighten up the other. Stop, don't do that. Leave that alone. Let me see it. I'll open it up for you. You gotta open it up. There you go. And you're coming up with it. Alright.
Woo!
Now explain to them what you might have to do.
So you may have to move it a little bit based on when you put the hood cover, if it's, you know, hitting or anything like that. But I'm gonna do my wheel clearance thing, just because anytime you mess under the trunk, I want to make sure you can fully turn. Let hubby check, make sure it's good up there. All right. And we're gonna see if the hood gonna fit under there before I plug the hook back up. And if not, you may have to finesse it a little.
See? Oh no, it's hitting it. It's hitting it. You can see. Yeah. No, go ahead and take it back off. I didn't think he was gonna actually do that.
So I had to bend the bracket a little just by pushing it down to make sure when you put this hood on, it's not going to hit. Bracket's pretty bendable, so we're going to put our cords back. And we're going to make sure it works.
Oh, stop. It ain't that loud.
It's a horn, y'all.
Come on, y'all, hit it a couple times. All right.
Now I'm gonna sound like an 18-wheeler coming down the street.
There you go.
All right, we in there. And we're gonna put the hood back on. All right, so now that we got the horn installed, stay tuned because we got something else we're installing next. AKA Inley. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tap that bell so you can stay notified for all videos we have coming up in the near future. We also got a little surprise, non-Ryker like, but a surprise coming up next week. We'll be happy to share that with y'all when that time comes. But thanks for tuning in again. Moultrie gang out.